Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Apple Music app crashing issue on iPhone after iOS 17 beta. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many method to solve this issue. So first is to restart your iPhone. Tap on Settings app, tap on General, and now you can appear on the screen many options. Scroll down and now you can simply tap on shutdown to slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be restart. If this is not working, then we go to another solution. Another solution is to delete the music app. Now you can tap and hold the music app and tap on remove app. Now you can appear on the screen delete app. Click on delete, go to the app store, tap on search bar and type the Apple Music. Now you can see Apple Music app is available. Tap on it, tap on download. Now you can see Apple Music app is downloading now. Now you can see Apple Music app is download. So if this solution is not working, then we go to another solution. Another solution is to check the storage. So tap on Settings app, tap on General, and now you can appear on the screen iPhone storage. Tap on it. Now you can see I have lot of storage in my iPhone. So if this is not working, then we go to another is to reset the settings only without losing any data. So tap on Settings, General, and simply tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on Reset. Now you can see Reset all settings. Tap on it. Now you can see Reset all settings on the pop-up screen. Tap on Reset all settings to reset all the settings without losing any data. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.